Michael Parascandola. I'm the Director of Digital Media and Marketing at Macaulay Honors College. Um, and one of my main responsibilities here at Macaulay is our main public-facing website. And I had a little bit of a problem recently. There were new security policies that required us to upgrade from PHP 7 to PHP 8. That's a scripting language. I won't get into all of it now for time. But when you upgrade these systems, there's usually issues. So we set up a development server testing, right? It wasn't open to the public. We upgraded to PHP 8 and the website broke. Pages were all out of whack. There was a bit of a mess. And I was a little bit nervous about it because we had to get that upgrade done. It was late in the year. Hiring a developer was going to be difficult. So I gave AI a try. I was able to get so far with Google in terms of getting into a debug mode that would list out the errors that were there. But it was a little bit too specific for Google and message boards and whatnot to get into our issues. So I'm going to demo what I did. I'll show one example of what was dozens of errors that we were able to work through. 1 second. Okay, so I threw the text in here already. It was really a conversation at the beginning, and I kind of kept the prompt short because I was going back and forth. But I said I'm a PHP programmer, which I'm not really. I'm a PHP programmer, debugging errors on a website that was recently upgraded from PHP 7 to PHP 8. Please explain what the error is and the specific section of code that needs to be changed to work for PHP 8. Only output the changed code. So this is something I learned that as I was doing it, it was trying to rewrite the code. And every time it rewrote it, it did make some changes here and there. And it wasn't just the error. And that was causing more errors. So I wanted to know exactly what it was so that then I could go in and manually make the changes. Um, I put the error in that was coming up in the debug mode. It's this long bit here, tells what line of code it's on. And then I just pasted in the original code. I didn't put the file. I was kind of new to AI at the time, so I just pasted everything in and I ran it. Let's see what happens. So what's nice about this is I exit to explain what the error was. So I'm kind of learning as I was going too. Um, and I needed to know that I needed to put this count in there. And I'll just scroll through this. It may not make a lot of sense to most of you. It didn't make a lot of sense to me at first. But I would just go through, I would find line 140, copy this in, update the file, and most of the time it fixed the error and they were gone. I had to work through some things here and there, but we were able to get through dozens of errors like this um, with and manage to upgrade to PHP 8 without a problem and without having to hire a developer. Poor developers, but it helped us out.